All right, we're here doing another repair on 1054 Tony Valley Drive. Here's your control area here. Close up there. Here's the shingle that we are repairing here. Here's a close up. Required tool, roof snake. Travis, take it away. See the granules coming loose from the shingles already. Do what?
That shingle's busted through up there from the nail.
Granules coming loose from the shingle. This roof has got very bad granule loss. Higher than needed. Find the nail.
See where busted through.
Busted through here with the nail. A ton of granules coming loose. Using the snake.
Your snake.
Nail bent from the snake here, showing that.
Maybe it's thrown hitting some rafters. You can see where there's damage in the shingle.
Losing the shingle here.
Maybe before, after here.
Yeah, here's my before. All right, go ahead, Travis.
Well, so this is a split shingle, so we have to do it here. This is the before.
Okay.
See all that bruising. Over here.
All right, there's your repair done here.
Damage there, and here.
Bruising
Creasing
from the
here,
roof snake. You can see creasing here, these shingles up top.
creasing there. Along the top here.
You can see from my videos too, the close-ups while he was doing the repair, just a ton of granule loss during the repair. We're gonna stop here. You know, it's my determination that we're doing a little more damage here than necessary to repair one shingle. Just want to compare this area here. To the control area. I mean, you can even just see just through the roof the granule loss from this roof. I mean, it's pretty severe. We do believe this roof needs to be
Bring it back to pre-loft condition.
bring it back to pre-loft condition. We need to replace the roof. Hopefully this third attempt will be the last. Thank you.